It does border Mississippi, but the only one with 3 double letters is...
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Calhoun County in north-central West Virginia, southwestern Ritchie County in northwestern West Virginia, east-central Mason County in western West Virginia, northwestern Kanawha County in central West Virginia, northeastern Putnam County in western West Virginia, northwestern Gilmer County in north-central West Virginia, Wirt County in northwestern West Virginia, northwestern Roane County in central West Virginia, Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, southeastern Wood County in northwestern West Virginia, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenna, or 11 miles northeast of Winfield, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ripley, Spencer, Elizabeth, Grantsville, Sandyville, Kenna, Mineral Wells, Reedy, Stantz Mills, Cherry, Smithville, Given, Kentuck, Liberty, New Bern, Lucille, Big Springs, Broward, McFarland, and Anna Maria. This includes the following highways: Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 121 and 142, near mile marker 144, in between mile markers 154 and 165. Route 50 in West Virginia between mile markers 14 and 16.
For insomnia. Tim.
What is sleeplessness?
Correct. That takes you to 18,800. You vanquished the category.